Well, hello people of YouTube. This is a new project I've just got. It's just a bit of a introduction to this project and see where we're going to go with it. It's a 2007 BMW R1200gs, and as you can see, it's partially dismantled. There's a box of parts here I've got. This is all what I've taken off. I've only, it's got 97,000 miles on the clock, but it was mainly used for commuting into London, so it's all done motorway miles. It's not, the engine runs really well, I think, although the tappets need adjusting, which I should be doing and might well video it if people are interested. But as you can probably see, there's rust there. There's this on here. The engine casing's flaky. The stand's very rusty. Forked bottom of here. This is, and you can see it did have an orange wrap on it at some point. I've already stripped this down because I'm going to clean it and paint it. I've painted this surround here, and this is what I'm thinking I'm going to paint the frame. Rather than, I'm not stripping the whole bike and powder coating the frame. It's not, it's a lot of work. It's a complicated bike, and I don't think it's really worth it. I can tidy it up. I can just rub this down, paint it with this paint that I've used up here. This Rust-Oleum. It's on here. Let's have a look at it. Rust-Oleum anthracite grey colour, and I think that will look it. It'll bring it up, make it look a bit more modern, clean it up, and whatever. I've got a few other bits to do. I've got to get another light for the back because we had a mishap when it was loading it. But other than that, or unloading it, should I say? And I've took these off to paint this, but one of those is orange and the other one is white, so I'll probably get another white one to match that up. I took the screen off to get it in the van. Same with the mirrors, I've got them. The wheels need a good clean and whatever. I don't know what to do about the tyres, whether to change those. They were 2013. I should add, it's been parked for about 4 years, 3-4 years, hasn't been used. And the rear one, if you see it, can you see that? It's sort of flattened off a bit. But the wheels, I want to clean those up and paint them. But anyway, the main reason this is all stripped off is because there you go, brake failure, which is ABS, which my understanding is that should flash, and then when you ride, go out. Well, I've ridden the bike and it doesn't, it stays on. We've got this button here, but that's nothing to do with it. So it's either this module here. I've seen videos where people change these motors on the end, or you can send it away. I don't quite know what to do at the moment. I can't connect. I've got no diagnostic equipment. I've connected my scanner, and I can read the engine codes of that, but I cannot read the ABS codes, and I haven't got a bike scanner thing. So I'm reluctant to just strip something down like that. There's people I've seen that will repair these for about £200. But again, I'm reluctant to send that away to get it repaired. If it's not that, it could just be a wheel sensor or something. But we'll hold it on the other side. And regarding it, it's much the same. It's what we see around here. It's a bit tight around this side actually. I've got the battery on charge. It's got a fairly new battery. The exhaust is all in good condition. It's got a full BMW service history. Brakes are good, apart from the ABS. So yeah, it is what it is. I mean, I didn't pay a lot of money for it, not for what these go for. So it's a project. I'm going to clean it up. I don't know whether I should keep it when I've done it up, or I've got no luggage. I don't know if I should keep it or sell it on or whatever. I've still got my trusty Triumph. That ain't going nowhere. So it's a bike, I suppose, that I thought I'd like to own, but I wasn't prepared to pay, you know, what they fetch, the sort of money they fetch. And it's a bike I wanted to try, wanted to get one in, try one. So this is what we've got. So I might put some more videos. Let's see if this gets any interest. If it does, and anyone's interested in, you know, commenting, please comment, subscribe, and all that. I'm supposed to say all that, aren't you? And these tyres, if anyone can advise me what they do with those, I mean, they're Michelin Anarchies. This rear one is flattened off slightly, but there's plenty of tread on them. They're made in 2013, date stamp on them. I don't know. I mean, I think, so I'm going to paint the wheels, so obviously I'm going to have to strip them down, and I just think if I'm going to strip them down, you know, should I put new tyres on? I mean, there's no cuts or anything. I don't want to turn, it's jacked up the other way. But it's just a quick introduction video to this bike. I might put another video. I'm not a video editor or video maker. I just sort of watch videos, people doing stuff, and I thought perhaps I ought to do one. Okay, well, if anyone watched it, I hope you enjoyed it, and bye for now.